Once upon a star, there lived a boy named Caleb. He was a happy little tot of 6 years old, and on his birthday he received a very special gift, his very own photo camera. Caleb loved the camera, so much that he took it out every day, snapping photos of anything he could. A picture here, a picture there, until one day a terrible accident happened. And the camera broke. Caleb didn't sleep a wink, haunted by thoughts of his once perfect camera late into the night. That was when a sudden sound caught his attention. And there stood, on the other side of Caleb's bedroom window, a large winged creature. "Hello there, young lad," greeted the creature. "I'm the Kipsnede, your sleep fairy." "Sleep fairy?" "That is correct," replied the Kipsnede. "My job is to make sure you get a good night's sleep, but it's come to my attention that you haven't been resting at all lately. I'd like to know the reason why." Caleb had never heard of a sleep fairy. "My parents told me not to talk to strangers." "Strangers? I'm no stranger. I know all the girls and boys round the globe. I know their parents, their homes, their names. Why, I even know your name, Caleb. Now, would a stranger know your name?" Caleb thought on it for a moment. "No, I guess not, if you must know why I'm awake. It's my camera. It's broken." And just like that, tears welled up in Caleb's eyes. "Let me see." Then the Kipsnede had an idea. "Why don't I get this camera fixed for you? Perhaps that would help you sleep easier." "You could do that?" "Of course, and I know just the place. A factory in my home world. I'll lead you to the portal. Just follow my voice." And the Kipsnede disappeared into the night. "This way." Caleb followed close behind the Kipsnede, snapping photos to mark the way in case of getting lost. "Over here." At last, Caleb reached a house. "Seems quite abandoned," thought the boy. "And dark." But there was the Kipsnede's voice again, beckoning. "The portal to my home world's inside. Come along." I must have my camera fixed. So, in spite of his obvious fright, Caleb marched into the home. Some weeks later, authorities discovered the basement. The rest of the boy was never found.